Hello and welcome to another unboxing, and today I'll just be unboxing these mystery minis made by Funko, and mystery mini blind bags. I got these on the reduced aisle at Asda for £2 each. I think they usually retail for around £4.99, fiver or above. So, these look pretty nice actually. Yeah, there've not been many new videos for a while. I've recently just moved and just getting everything ready, so you have to bear with me. And these are all the what you can get in it. The top ones being the common ones and the more rare ones being the bottom ones. So let's crack into this and see what we get. These boxes do look real nice as well. I'll have to find these for £2. I think I bought another two. It might have just been My Little Pony ones. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload them ones. Yeah, so when I do eventually get around to making more videos, I've got a few things to unbox, some bits I've collected, more pops and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see what's in these. So I'm looking forward to unboxing them. A couple of mystery items as well. Oh, they come in little bags, so I'll just open the other one. Two little bags. I do prefer being like these kind of bags, you can't see through. So the first one is, oh nice, Harry Potter. That's the more common one. Really nice little vinyl figure. Slightly bigger than the pocket ones. Put that to one side. And the second bag is, please don't be the same. It's exactly the same. Two Harry Potters. Yep, they are the same. Oh well, they look nice on the shelf somewhere, but yeah, for £2, can't complain. Yeah, these are 1 in 6 boxes. So probably have a look around as to see if we can find any more of these. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video, probably very soon. Yeah, I've got some more mystery boxes and stuff like that to open up or collected. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.